2. 基本问答，选出最适合的回答，完成对话。
1. Sandy didn't go to Jack's birthday party. Sandy didn't go to Jack's birthday party. 2. The popular TV show is looking for talented young singers. The popular TV show is looking for talented young singers. 3. The judges are busy eating the dumplings. The judges are busy eating the dumplings. 4. Do you want to change your mind? Do you want to change your mind? 5. A snake egg was found at the beach. A snake egg was found at the beach.